Wondering if a vehicle service contract from THISCar is right for you? Let's talk about it. Once a car is 3 years old or over 36,000 miles, the manufacturer's warranty typically expires, meaning unexpected repairs could be a spendy setback for future you. And since you'd probably rather spend that cash on a vacation, this is where a VSC can come in pretty handy, especially if something ever happens to one of your car's 15,000 moving parts or its complicated computer system. A VSC is designed to help cover mechanical and electronic repairs once your car's warranty expires. By choosing a vehicle service contract, you'll be covering yourself for what could add up to thousands of dollars of repairs later on. With different levels of protection for every budget and the option to bring your car to any ASE-certified repair shop nationwide, which is pretty much any repair shop, you've got plenty of flexibility. Plus, almost all contracts can be transferred or canceled. So basically, future you may owe present you a vacation-sized thank you. As a bonus, this protection also comes with our THISCar Peace of Mind promise, which includes emergency roadside assistance, alternate transportation, and trip interruption benefits, so you'll never get stuck without a ride. It even covers lodging and meals if you get stranded away from home. Because we believe online car buying should go beyond the basics. If you have any questions, simply ask. We're always here to help you, not sell you. At THISCar, we're all about getting you exactly what you want.